What's up, everyone? Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate, jumping on for this month's edition of our monthly market update for the Wildwoods. As usual, we will kick it off north and head south. So we'll start North Wildwood for July of 2023. Currently, North Wildwood has 40 properties on the market. There were 21 listed. It's a big number recently. You had only 6 go to closing. Average sale price of those that sold was $423,429. List to sale ratio of 93.62 and an average days on the market of 51. Hopping into Wildwood for July of 23, we have 67 properties on the market. We had 27 list. You had 15 sell. Average sale price of those homes that sold was $468,707. List to sale ratio of 99.46 and an average days on the market of 78. Jumping into West Wildwood for July 2023, we have 8 total on the market. We had 3 list, nothing sold, so not much else to talk about for West Wildwood for July. So we'll move into the Crest for July 2023. Currently have 43 properties on the market. You're looking at 25 new listings. You'd have 13 sell. Average sale price of those sold was $870,532. List to sale ratio of 97.1 or 21, sorry. And average days on the market of 116. Lastly, we have Diamond Beach for July 2023. Currently, 1 property on the market. You had 1 new listing. We had 1 sell. Seeing a trend here in Diamond Beach for this month. Price of the one that sold was $600,000. List to sale ratio on that one was 104.35. So that one sold for almost 5% over asking, and it was on the market for a whopping 37 days. So if we look at July's market, it's continuing pretty much the same as the rest of the summer has been so far. Very, very low inventory. The Crest and North Wildwood still sitting in the 40s. Wildwood still hanging under 70. Diamond Beach and West Wildwood are always low. They're very little subsections of town, but I think it's important to cover them because there are plenty of houses there and plenty of people that love those areas specifically. Average days on the market still well under 100 in every market except for the Crest. Crest had some pre-sold single families that were very big price tag, which is why that 870 was up, and it's also why that average days on the market is significantly higher than the other towns. List to sale ratio pretty good across the board, a little lower in North Wildwood than normal, down closer to 93%, which indicates about a 7% discount on average on those properties that sold. Wildwood still continues to be very strong, almost a $470,000 average sale price, which is a very big number. That's at a 99% list to sale and a sub 50 days on the market. So what's coming on in Wildwood is selling pretty quickly and still selling for a lot of money. Other markets are still strong as well, but that just kind of stood out to me this month as maybe the strongest market in town for the month, while the numbers in the Crest continue to be really high on the backs of some of those really big new construction sales. One of them up over 2 million, so that kind of moves those numbers around. I think we're going to continue to see this slow pace, low inventory until the rates come down. Too many people are sitting on their properties. They're not going to trade a 3% interest rate to go to a bigger place and to take a 7 or 8% interest rate. So it's keeping us very, very depressed as far as inventory levels go. I think once those rates come down, we're going to see people start to trade up and the inventory levels will go back up a bit. But we're going to have a lot of pent-up buyer demand. And if the rates go down, the buyers are going to come back even more too. So it looks like we're going to stay in what's going to be a seller's market for quite a while here, but only time will tell. So tune in next month for my next market update. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.